Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete cache on OperaGX. Now once you delete the cache on OperaGX, how to do it is quite simple. Right from the home page or the workspace, what you do is that, because this is actually the home page, I'm using the workspace too. What you do is that you click on the gear icon on the sidebar. By the left hand sidebar you say gear icon. Now in case you can see yours, sometimes it's hidden. What you do is that you click on the sidebar setup, which is the three dots at the bottom. Then you see the option on, you scroll down till you see Opera Tools here, and then you click on settings. Just mark it and it will appear here. So once it's there, click on the gear icon, and next thing you'll do is scroll all the way down here until you see delete browsing data. Click on the arrow that points to the right, and then you can see cache images and files. So make sure it is marked, and you can choose maybe within the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. And once you've done that, you click on delete data. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.